This tutorial review will show you how to find laptop serial number. First of all, let's see the process for Windows. Click on the search icon. Type here CMD. Here, click on Run as Administrator. Once you opened your command prompt, type this command here: WMIC space BIOS space gate space serial number, then hit enter, and then here you will get your laptop serial number. And to find out the Mac computer serial number, click the Apple logo on the top left corner, then select about this Mac. The serial number will be shown on the screen. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.